Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a data table UI in Stitch. Okay, so first up, go log into your Stitch account at stitch.withgoogle.com. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the prompt bar or prompt section. Okay, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use web design right here. And then let's just go ahead and enter a prompt. Okay, I have here a sample prompt. Now, create a web dashboard for order management with a data table showing order ID, customer name, status, okay, using colored chips, date, and total price. That's enough. You can now go ahead and click on generate and wait for the process to finish. All right, and there you have it. We now have our order management dashboard with the data table. Okay. Now, if you don't like the provided or the initial design, okay, you can just go ahead and add in a prompt right here, one by one. Do not add multiple prompts in a single, or do not ask multiple things in a single prompt. Okay. So that Stitch right here will easily add in what you need one by one. Okay. That is it. Now, if you like this one, well, you're good to go. You can go ahead and click on more, download it, or view the code, continue working with the codes from here. Okay. By just copying the codes. Okay. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.